Home Remedies presents 3 ingredients remedy to get rid of varicose veins in just 30 minutes. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video I will share with you a natural recipe that promises to make varicose veins literally disappear. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Varicose veins are larger veins that are deeper in the body. You won't see them as a discoloration. You will see them when they get so stretched out that they kind of bulge. It must be treated to avoid complications. By using this recipe, you will no longer have to hide your legs. This natural recipe promises to make varicose veins literally disappear. Ingredients: 1 cup of grated carrots, 7.5 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, apple cider vinegar as necessary. Procedure: insert the carrot into the blender, add aloe vera gel, and mix until you get a uniform mass. Then add a little apple cider vinegar until you get a creamy mixture, which you can easily store into the bottle and use it several times. How to use: apply this cream daily if possible. Spread the cream over the affected area by varicose veins and massage it upwards from the ankles up to the calves to help stimulate blood flow. Let it work for at least 30 minutes and then rinse off with cold or warm water. Use it regularly until the veins begin to retreat. Why it works? Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a very effective way of stimulating circulation, and it has anti-inflammatory properties. Vinegar compresses alone can be a great way of alleviating the symptoms of varicose veins. Simply place the compress on the affected area and allow it to work its magic for 20 minutes. Aloe vera. Aloe vera treats all kinds of skin problems. In the case of varicose veins, it is a great ally thanks to its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. Carrot. Carrot is actually a varicose vein busting superfood, thanks to its high levels of beta-carotene and antioxidants. These not only improve the appearance of varicose veins, but also help to alleviate the other symptoms associated with them. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.